I've got my GPS and the third antenna, antenna here. This is my GPS one, and I've made sure to keep that out separate. And actually, you can tell by the plug that it's a little bit different. I've installed the adapter onto the original wiring harness, plug that in. I've got the connection here as well. This, like I said, this is going to plug into the USB. This goes in the back. So this really looks like a mess right now, but it's really close. I've also made sure that I've bound up all the rest of my cables, so when I can push all of these pieces back in, they go back in really cleanly, even though it doesn't look like it right now. Like I said, the one thing you can tell the GPS antenna differently is that it's not an angled connection, it's a straight connection. But I made sure to keep that separate because I want to make sure to have the right antenna on the right connection. So at this point, everything is at the point where we can start to plug it in to the back of the unit here. So you want to pull all the covers off off the back, and as you see, they really will only go into one place. So you've got, you know, the blue plug is an 8-pin, so 2 rows of 4. So you look at the back and go, well, okay, so there's that spot right there. Okay, you got this guy. Okay, so 2 rows of 5. Well, that really kind of only goes in one spot and goes right there. Okay. So as you put all these in, they really kind of only go in one spot as you go through them all, right? So this is where you're going to start taking all of these and start plugging them in. Now, don't forget, off your original wiring harness, which is a little hard to find right now in all of this mess, and the original wiring harness is also your antenna as well. So don't forget the antenna.